Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Wow, fake token have continued to increase. The market cap of fake token have now hit over $23 million, and I believe this year 2023 we are expecting fake token to really increase in price. In fact, fake token is currently trading with about 9 zeros, and leveraging fake token deleting 2 or 3 zeros will definitely push fake token to the top, and the holders of fake token will definitely be smiling to the bank. Now 2023 price prediction for fake token. Now this 2023, based on fake token partnership, based on their plans, even their roadmap which they just released, I believe that fake token can really increase in price this year. Now remember, fake token has been listed by Get.io, by Bkex, by X.com, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. Now fake token also promising its holder that this year 2023 we are going to see the top exchanges listing fake token. I believe that fake token getting the support of Kucoin, getting the support of let's say crypto.com, I believe if they can get the support of top exchanges, even let's talk about Hotbit, these people can really help Bank. I think they should work on all these exchanges this year in order to get this exchanges to list fake token. They will definitely help fake token to really increase. But apart from that, of course, fake token price prediction for this year is being, a lot of crypto experts believe fake token can hit between 1,000% to 10,000%. That is within the period of 2023. Fake token is capable. Now, fake token hitting 1,000% depend on how Bitcoin can really increase in price. Fake token can even hit up to 1,000 to 2,000% if BTC can really hit over its all-time price of $68,000 or $100,000 this year. But if fake token can really focus on burning of fake token this year and also getting fake token to be listed by top exchanges, believe it, fake token can hit over 5,000 to 10,000% in 2023, and I'm expecting fake token to really increase this year because already they have gotten the support of some top exchanges, so it will be easier for some exchanges to actually list fake token because Get.io have actually listed them, X.com, Bkex. These are people we know that at least that even if I don't want to mention much, let's just talk about Get.io. Get.io, to me, I believe they are one of the top exchanges. They've listed coins earlier and they can really influence coin. They have millions of global customers, and I believe if Kucoin can really come in, I mean if Hotbit, if Bank can list this coin, we are going to see fake token massively increasing in price. Let's hope to see fake token bump. Let's hope to see this year a fake token hitting over 5,000 to 10,000%. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to invest on any of our coins, we remember mention here, please remember to invest what you can afford to lose.